what's up? It's Kristen. Today what I have for you is my first October Stitch Fix. So if you don't know about Stitch Fix, I have a link down below. If you click on that, it's a referral fee. I'll get $25 and you'll get $25 towards your first fix. So go click that and get your first Stitch Fix. So in that as well, it'll tell you a little bit about it. You get 5 items in your box. You get a return label bag that you could ship anything back that you do not want. Next would be your style card and your price sheet in there, and you get your 5 items. You can get jewelry, shoes, clothing, athletic wear. It's pretty neat. So if you like these kind of videos, stay tuned. Right. So in my box, I looked at the style card. They sent me the wrong style card. It's for a different Kristen. So I can't read it to you. The items are totally different. And I'm thankful I didn't get this box because it's not my style. So I'm gonna put this over here. I'm not gonna read you my card because it's not for me. So here's the bag and I have my price sheet. So let's get into the items that I got. So the last box was kind of a bust. I really didn't keep anything from it, but the previous box before that I said I really liked a lot. So the first item they sent me is these Studio Blue jeans, which I absolutely loved. You can cuff them or wear them straight. They have distressing on there and they're so soft and stretchy. They are the Studio Blue Del Mar Distress Skinny Jean in a size 0. And here they are. And I like them a lot. They're really nice. I like the color, I like the wash. I don't really have anything this wash. I do have something a little bit lighter, so those are very nice. These are a Stitch Fix exclusive as well. So then next item, I have this top in blue, and it's nice. They send me a lot of purple, which is kind of odd because I never keep anything that's purple. I like black, red, gray, white, that type of thing. But I have this top already in blue, and I enjoy it. And it's a t-shirt kind of, and it has like a round bottom, and then on the sides you can see there's a cutout, which is cute, and it's kind of like a tie, like knot there. So that's kind of cute. We'll try it on with the jeans. Let me read that to you because I didn't. It is the Colette Romy Cold Shoulder Knit Top in purple, and it's a size extra small. So this next item, I actually got the same thing with a different color at the bottom in my last box, and I told her I did not like it because it cut really high up the side. So I'm not sure why it was resent to me in a different color because I stated in my feedback that I did not like it. So it's this gray top here with these ruffle sleeves, they're kind of like gathered, and then at the bottom that it has this gray. So the reason why I did not like it because it cut really high up in the side. So here it is, and you can kind of see through it a little bit. As you can see through here, you can see my face through it. It's kind of thin, but I like this. I wasn't really a fan of the burgundy at the bottom. So we'll see. I'm not sure why she resent that. I wish I had my style note to understand. So the next item is this blue top, which kind of looks like the purple one. And, oh, let me read the item. That is the Fortune and Ivy Layla Woven Hem Knit Top in dark gray. So this one here is this blue top. It's a kind of a different material. It has a line going through the center. It's kind of thin. It's kind of the same as the purple top, the way it's cut. But on the sleeves, it has the folded over sleeve here, so you can see that. The only thing that's different, it has a line down the center. So it's okay. So we'll see what it's called. It's the DLE Lacin Knot Front Knit Top. Okay, so there is a knot in the front. I didn't even realize that. So there's the knot, and that's in an extra small. So the last but not least, this item here is this black and white top. I did pin this on my Pinterest board. I like these kind of tops. It has opposite, like the sleeves are really cute. So let's read what this is. This is the Mix by 31 Hawthorne Corina brushed dolman knit top in extra small. So this item right here, this is the Mix by 41 Hawthorne. It's $38, so that's a pretty good deal. This blue top here, this DLE, which is $38. That's a pretty good deal. This gray top that I already received, Fortune and Ivy, it is $38 as well. This Colette top is $28. So the prices are pretty good. And then the most expensive thing in the box are these Studio Blue jeans, and they're $64. So the total for my box was $206 with my buy all 5 25% discount, $51.50 off, comes to $154.50. So this fix is pretty cheap. I like the pricing. We'll see if I like the items. I was looking for more of like a fall fix where I get cardigans, etc. So we shall see. So I'm gonna try everything on and I'll let you know how I like it. Okay guys, so the first item that I pulled out in the box, I'm gonna move you down, are these jeans. I really like them a lot. I like how they're cut. I don't have anything that's this light that has this much fraying in it. They're really comfortable. They fit really nice. Yeah, they're cozy. I really like them. Let me know what you guys think. But I do like them a lot. So next is this Colette top. It's cute. It has the little arm sleeves that are open. It fits nice. I just could wear a cami underneath it or something. Purple actually looks pretty nice on me. It's comfortable, it's nice. I could probably throw a cardigan over it and it's not gonna be too bulky, but I do like it a lot. Okay, so next here is the top that I got in my last box that had the burgundy bottom. I like this bottom a lot better. I had to put a cami underneath here because it cuts all the way up to here. I mean, it's cute. This is something I can definitely wear to work, or wear with some, you know, just darker jeans. But here's the bottom and what it looks like. So this one here, if you do receive it in your box, you're going to have to wear a cami underneath. Because like I didn't have a cami under here and you could totally see everything. So I'm not sure. Let me know what you guys think. Okay guys, so next here is this knit top. I still have the cami on and it's cute. I really like it. I put my other darker jeans on that I have that would go better with this top. So I don't know, it's cute. I mean, it's thin, it's a different kind of material. I like the knot on it. I mean, this is something I can wear to work. I would just wear jeans that have no rips in it. I'm really torn on this box because this is stuff I wouldn't wear, so I don't know. That's what Stitch Fix is about, so let me know what you guys think. Okay, so here's the last item. It is this striped top. It's really cute. This is something I can wear to work or wear out. I tend to get everything that has black and white stripes. I don't know. It's really adorable. I can wear this to work. I can wear it with jeans or I can wear it with some black pants. I'm very torn on this box. There's some things that I don't like in there. The blue knot top is really cute. But let me know what you guys think. This is definitely worth it. I think this is $38. So this is really not bad for this top. So let me know what you guys think. Hey guys, so I'm back with my final thoughts. My favorite item in this box I'm really torn about is this top. It's something that I could wear all the time. It's really cute. It goes with everything. It's only $38. I'm not sure. This blue top with the knot, I actually like this. If it was $28, I think it's 38. Yeah, I might possibly entertain purchasing this, but I'm gonna pass on that. It's too expensive. These jeans, I love them, but I'm just looking at my stuff. I was like, I really don't need them. I'm like extremely picky with everything, and I'm not really into it. This gray top, this is a no for me. I sent this one back in the last box. I'm not sure why they sent it to me again, so I'm kind of a little bit disappointed. So Stitch Fix, what's going on here? I don't know. So this next top is this Colette purple top. It's $28. It's really cute, but I have it in blue and I don't really reach for it that much, so I'm gonna send it back. So I'm kind of at a loss here. I really like the black and white striped shirt. I really need your guys' help to tell me if there's anything I should buy, but I'm looking for more of fall styles, and this doesn't really scream fall to me. So I'm contemplating not keeping anything. So let me know what you guys think. And thank you guys for watching, and please like and subscribe this video. Thanks, bye.